This video is sponsored by Ghostech's new Rapture headphones. For more information, make sure you check down below in the description or stay tuned till after the video. Continuing on my CES coverage of 2018, I wanted to quickly go over some camera-related tech items that were at the show. Since CES has a ton of different things, I narrowed it down to just my favorite 3 items. The first comes from a company that goes by the name of Taro. Taro is a gimbal manufacturer that not only makes smartphone gimbals, but also DSLR and mirrorless camera gimbals. What makes the Taro gimbal different than the rest is that it uses its own infrared sensor to track an armband, a pad, or other IR device up to 50 miles an hour and 60 feet away. Taro's algorithm performs 30 IR calculations per second, which enables dynamic tracking at the speed and distance I stated. This is extremely handy for interviews where a mic is being passed around, and you can check out their Kickstarter below for more information. Next up, I checked out the DJI booth. Of course, DJI had drones everywhere, ranging from pocket-friendly to baby delivery service size, but I was there to check out their newest gimbal. The Dji Ronin S is DJI's smallest DSLR and mirrorless gimbal, but it packs a ton of features. Price is to be announced, however I was told to expect it to be below $1,000. The payload is also to be announced, but I'm guessing it's going to be a direct competitor to the Crane 2, which has a payload of 7 pounds. The motor is positioned 45 degrees below the mount, which means that camera screens will remain visible during use. The key difference between the Ronin S and the competition is the modular system it's based upon. You can connect a variety of accessories to the Ronin S, such as a wireless video transmitter, a follow focus, remote controller, LEDs, mics, and a dual handle system. Another neat feature is the ability to connect the Ronin S to buggies, cranes, and jibs. The final item I checked out was, of course, the Panasonic Gh4 S, which is nearly identical to the Gh5 except it features a red shutter button and a red ring around the mode dial in terms of its physical appearance. The Gh4 S features a new 10 megapixel sensor with very large pixels and dual native ISOs, which will give you better low light and a slight bump in dynamic range. I messed around and recorded some footage in a not so ideal environment to test out the autofocusing. I noticed that it was slightly improved but still suffers from the same problem that the Gh5 is known for. However, this is all based upon a quick hands-on, and I will be getting a Gh4 S in-house to test more thoroughly and give you guys a review once they're released later in February. One thing I noticed is that even at ISO 10,000, the image was pretty damn clean, which blew my mind. In any case, expect more content soon. Well guys, that wraps up this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and stay tuned for more CES coverage.